I really don't know what to say either. That's a lot of views. 10 million views in a single month. So let's see how much that equates to in his ad revenue. Bruh. Over $103,000 in a single month that he made from Google ad revenue. So I'm chuckling at the beginning of this video because I know that kids these days want to be YouTubers and their parents are just probably like, okay, yeah, get real, guys, like pick a real profession. But seriously, I'm not kidding. Like in this recent article that I read in CNBC, kids nowadays dream of being professional YouTubers rather than astronauts, studies find, right? So if I'm scrolling down the article, you say kids these days are 3 times more likely to aspire towards a career as a YouTuber rather than an astronaut, according to a new study. And if you scroll down where it says children's top career aspirations in the US and the UK, number 1 is vlogger/YouTuber. And after that is teacher, professional athlete, musician, then astronaut, right? But for parents or for anyone who wants to be a YouTuber, they think like, is this realistic? Is this aspiration a thing? Can you get paid from YouTube? Like, is it even possible to support yourself and pay your bills? How do you make money on YouTube? How do YouTubers make money? Well, in this video, I'm going to answer everything you need to know about how that happens. So we have everything on the different ends of the spectrum, everywhere from the powerhouses like Logan Paul, for example, who at 22 years old says that he bought his first house for $6.5 million. I mean, he's really racking in the cash in all kinds of ways on his YouTube channel. And again, on this end of the extremity, you have other millionaire YouTubers like Jenna Marbles and PewDiePie, who, PewDiePie's been on YouTube for over 10 years, and I think same with Jenna Marbles, but they have millions and millions of subscribers. So how is it even possible for someone watching YouTube and thinking, I don't even have a channel, where do I start? So then we have the other end of the spectrum with YouTubers, the normal size YouTubers or the small size YouTubers. So the small size YouTubers being YouTubers that are still below 10,000 subscribers, medium-sized YouTubers who are creators like myself who have 50,000, 60,000, getting up to that 100K mark. But the point is there's YouTubers of all sizes and levels. And the other thing I have to mention is that there's a huge opportunity for all YouTubers, really big and really small, to make a lot of money. So the first way we're going to talk about how YouTubers make money is by talking about Google AdSense. Now this might be the most obvious, but maybe it's not. So what is Google AdSense? Google AdSense is when YouTubers get paid from the advertisements, the little pop-ups, the beginning ad roll, the mid-roll, the end roll of advertisements, either in videos or graphics that pop up on their videos. And so they get a cut and a commission from the advertisers that are showing their advertisements on their content. So they could be from impressions, clicks, people that view and people that buy. So anything related to that, we get a cut. And so there's this YouTuber named Graham Stephan. He's got, I think, 1.7 million subscribers, something like that. He showed how much he made from ad revenue, and just watch this.
Welcome to the analytics of my channel. We got the last 30 days here from March 25th to April 23rd. You can see during that time frame, we did almost 69 million minutes of watch time, which is mind-blowing. I can't believe it. Almost 10.3 million views in a single month, which is just I'm lost for words. Don't even know what to say on that.
I really don't know what to say either. That's a lot of views. 10 million views in a single month. So let's see how much that equates to in his ad revenue.
But here's the point. You guys want to figure out how much this equates to in terms of ad revenue. And here we go. Over $103,000.
Bruh. Did you hear what Graham said? Over $103,000 in a single month that he made from Google ad revenue. I can't. It's crazy. And so it's kind of crazy to think how, first of all, this is even possible where a social media platform or a platform online like YouTube can even pay a creator just to post videos. Imagine making, just a fraction of that 100K per month every single month just for putting up YouTube videos. That's incredible. No other platform will offer you that for posting content. And so this kind of reminds me of how, my reaction was a year ago, because right now my personal Google AdSense on this channel is around $10,000 per month. Now, this seems maybe a little small after just hearing what Graham was saying about the 100K, but a year ago, my mind was just as blown listening to a YouTuber named Freedom Influencer talk about how much he made, and he was saying how he made $10,000 per month in Google ad revenue, and I'm just like, oh my God, like that is so freaking cool. And I was like bouncing up and down. I'm like, that seems impossible. And I thought at that moment it would take me years and years to accomplish $10,000 in Google ad revenue. But no, it took me about 13 to 14 months. I could not believe it, how my ad revenue in this past 60 days has really just skyrocketed and taken off. And so people get the misconception that, YouTubers regarding AdSense, people get paid with the amount of subscribers, and that is false. People get paid from the amount of views that they get from their channel. And why is that? And the reason why is because of the #1 metric called CPM, which basically means the amount of money you're getting paid per 1,000 views. So on a big powerhouse channel like Logan Paul or PewDiePie or Jenna Marbles, those people that have 15 millions and jillions of followers, they have a much lower CPM because their channel is not very niche specific. Whereas my channel, or Graham's channel, he talks about finance, real estate, passive incomes and stuff like that. A lot of things specific about money, it's going to be a lot higher, the CPM. So Jenna Marbles and them, they probably make $1 to $2 per CPM, which is great if you have a huge channel. But if you have a smaller channel, he probably makes, I'm guessing, at least $30 per CPM. On my channel, I make anywhere between $45 to $50 with my CPM on my channel, and that is why with the small audience, I'm able to pull in a good chunk of change with the amount of subscribers I have. And so what are a few things, 3 things that have attributed to why my CPM has gone up, and how, if you're actually thinking about starting a channel, these are some things I highly recommend. And the first one is you have to be more niche specific. Who exactly are you talking to in your videos? What problem are you solving? You're not wanting to post about cooking, fitness, and meditation all in one channel. That's never going to grow. You're going to just pick one market, one industry, and be very, very specific. The next thing is, all these YouTubers, what they have in common is we've been consistent. We've been consistent AF. We don't take breaks. It's like a job. This is literally our job. If you don't show up to work, you get fired. It's the same thing with YouTube. So if you're not posting consistently, minimum 4 times a month, if you're really trying to grow, YouTube is not going to reward that, and you're not going to get the subscribers and views you're looking for. And the last thing that really helped my ad revenue is the increase in quality of videos. And what do I attribute that to? Well, I finally outsourced the video editing of my videos because, one, it was taking a lot of my time, and in my business, I really wanted to be the visionary, and so I handed off video editing to somebody whose skill level was way beyond mine, and I highly recommend it in your business if it's something you're looking for your YouTube channel, for video marketing and stuff like that, because you can see the difference of my old ad revenue 6 months ago versus my new ad revenue, and this is a direct reflection on the quality of the videos, because when you raise the bar with quality and really take care of the image of your brand, it will reflect in the amount of revenue you're making. So if you're interested in video editing for your video marketing or for your YouTube channel, check out the link below where you could book a free consultation call to see if it could be the right fit for you. Okay, so the next way that YouTubers make money is with sponsorships. You could think about this like a shout out. So a shout out on Instagram, a shout out on YouTube. And the best example I could think of this is really incredible. If your mind was blown with the last example with the 100K per month, listen to this. So this creator slash YouTuber named David, I forget, how do you say his name? David Dobrik, right? He has a channel, and in one of his videos about 6 months ago, he asked a sponsor to pay for half of his Ferrari in exchange for a 20-second shout out for their company. And I'm like, whoa. But it's true. He documented the whole thing. He said, will you pay for half of my Ferrari in exchange for a shout out? And they were like, yeah, we'll do it. That Ferrari Spider, I forgot the exact model, but it's valued around $270,000. So this company paid him approximately $120,000 for a 20-second shout out. I can't. So to put that even in more perspective, he could have technically charged more because, for example, the advertisers and advertisements that play on the Wimbledon tennis match, we all heard of Wimbledon, right? That event, that tennis match pulls in about 9 million viewers. Like 9 million views is approximately how much this guy David gets on his channel, just about every single video. So really, he could have charged more if he wanted to. So moving right along, just like any other celebrity or professional athlete or, business owner, entrepreneur, whoever, people monetize with the first two ways I talked about, with Google AdSense and with sponsorships, but also with these methods that I'm about to mention. And the next one being affiliate marketing. So you might be thinking, well, what is this? It's very simple. It's basically a referral program. If you refer a product to somebody else and somebody buys through your code or through your link, you get a commission of the sale from the company, right? So the number one of my favorite affiliate marketers of all time is Oprah. What does Oprah have? She has a book club. And what does she do in that book club every single month? She promotes her favorite books. And really, anything that Oprah talks about, whether it's books, whether it's food, health, whatever, people will grab it, so she is banking on affiliate marketing with all these commissions that she's pulling in from the book club, and I'm sure a whole lot of other referral and affiliate deals. But the point is, with YouTube, it's all about the link in the description. I mean, put your affiliate link in the description for any Amazon affiliate link, for any, digital product affiliate link, anything really, anything you like. If you look in your kitchen, you look in your bedroom, all of your electronics, things and applications you use on your phone, your computer, just about every company has an affiliate program or a referral program. And so these creators who use, some of their favorite products, whether they're online or offline, will put their affiliate links in the description and make good commissions from those affiliate links. And so the next way that YouTubers make money on YouTube is with physical products. So if you check out Jeffree Star, the self-made multimillionaire, which he really is a self-made multimillionaire. I've done tons of research on him. If you go to his channel, it's all about his cosmetic line, which he started from scratch. He never even knew anything about e-commerce, but when you go to his channel, you can see that he, promotes his online store with all of his cosmetic products. And so it doesn't have to be cosmetics that you're promoting. It could be anything physical that you sell on an online store. I mean, we all do online shopping. It's the same thing. You can build an e-commerce store, and you could do drop shipping. You can do print on demand, where you have a design, maybe it's your own brand design or whatever design you make up, something you draw. You can have that put on cups, t-shirts, and whatever else, shower curtains, right? And so that's called e-commerce, and that's another way that YouTubers make money, is putting their online store to sell their physical products in the links in the description. So the next way that YouTubers make money is with digital products. Now this is probably the best option out of all of them because there's nothing physical, there's nothing to fulfill. It's passive income, it's scalable, and that's why YouTubers are banking off of this income stream. And so, for example, my friend John Crestani in this industry, he's an affiliate marketer. He has his digital product on not only on his YouTube channel, but other websites like ClickBank, where people can go to that website and buy it. But he makes multi-millions of dollars every single year from just selling his digital products. And really, this is a super cool option if you're looking into getting into YouTube, because you can make a digital course on anything. I mean, the coolest I've seen lately are about, a course on gymnastics and a course about dog training. So any knowledge you have, you can just pack it up and put it into a digital course. with videos and sell it online or on YouTube. So if you want to know more about this subject and go deeper into it on how to build really a wildly profitable business on YouTube, I have a blueprint called Subscribers to Sales Blueprint. You can download that in the links. It'll be one of the first links in the description after this video. And so one of the next ways that YouTubers are making money online is by doing brand deals. And so this is a little different than sponsorships because this is more like a lifelong, not lifelong, but a longer term thing with a YouTuber and a company. You can think of it as like being a Nike athlete or having a sponsorship, having discount codes. It's something you actively use. So maybe it's like a protein supplement or some kind of health supplement where you have a YouTube channel about nutrition and the vegan diet, and you're constantly promoting a company that has vegan products. So the idea is you would make brand deals with them, maybe sign a contract with them for a certain amount of time, and you would actively promote and be a part of that brand. The next way that YouTubers are making money on their channels is by providing a service. Now this is a really popular one with smaller YouTubers because it's more niche specific and people are likely to engage with you. Even if you have a smaller audience, they say, hey, like I could actually contact this person for them to help me with something. So they're providing services like coaching and consulting on topics that are related to their channel. So this is also a great opportunity like for YouTubers to offer one-on-one coaching or to offer group coaching. The list goes on and on. So I hope you guys got a ton of value from this video and understand now how YouTubers make a load of cash on YouTube. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Obviously, you can see how it helps support the channel after that explanation in the beginning. But seriously, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel. And if you got value from this video, I'm sure you'll like this video where I talk about how you can make at least $100 per day on YouTube, even if you're a small YouTube channel. So you'll definitely want to check that video out right now. Now the key thing or the key tip to this whole video is we want to start stacking our YouTube income streams immediately.